Today we're taking a look at the Timbren Silent Ride suspension for single axle trailers with 3-inch round axles and a capacity of up to 5,000 pounds. Now this system is designed to provide a smooth, quiet, stable ride for your trailer, and it replaces the existing leaf spring suspension system on your trailer, and this is also a great alternative if you have a torsion axle. One of the most unique features about this system is the pivoting bolt. So you have a pivoting bolt on each unit, which allows the arms of the system to pivot. That's going to help the trailer stay level on uneven ground. So the axle goes right here. This mounts to the frame rail on the trailer on each side. And so as the axle's moving and as the frame's moving, the unit right here in the rubber springs, that's where all the force and the tension is taking place. And so that's absorbing all of that. That way it's not on the axle and it's not on the frame of the trailer. And so you're going to notice a much more comfortable ride from the cab of your vehicle as you tow your trailer down the road, even if you go over uneven or bumpy terrain. And it's all because of those pivoting arms. They help the trailer stay level on uneven ground. They ensure that all the tires hug the road at all times, again, even on rough, bumpy terrain. Those rubber springs absorb all the road shock, and then they also are designed to support the trailer's load. So these will actually compress, if you can see them in here, these will compress and become stiffer and stronger as the load weight increases. And then they also act as a return device, which minimizes the amount of rattling and bottoming out that we often experience when towing a trailer. The unit also features fitted rubber bushings internally, which allow the control arm to be fully engaged. That just ensures that the springs are in use at all times. The springs, these are AON rubber springs, and then those bushings are all constructed of tough, long-lasting rubber. And then the main area that you see out here, this is all steel and featuring a rust-resistant powder coat finish. The unit is virtually maintenance-free. It's a bolt-on installation. Please keep in mind that some drilling and welding is required, and mounting hardware is not included. So your frame rail goes right here, and so you'll have mounts on the underside as well as to the sides. 3 on the side, and then there's a total of 4 holes on this bar right here. So frame rail goes here. You mount it that way. So this actually becomes a hanger, hold your axle, and it's a really neat design. Then on the back side, I'll flip one of these around a little bit. On the back side, you'll notice these hangers right here. This does require a 2-inch by 2-inch hollow steel cross member that connects the left-hand side to the right-hand side with at least a 1/4 inch wall thickness. That's not included, so that will need to be provided separately or on your own. Also, the axle seats must be welded to the axle after the U-bolts are torqued. Now, it is recommended to use grade 5 minimum 5/8 inch diameter bolts, lock nuts, and washers to get this portion mounted to the trailer frame. It does come with some hardware. That's right here for the U-bolts. Those have a nice protective coating on them, so you should never have to replace those. Steel construction with protective coating to resist rust and corrosion. This system is designed for single axle trailers with 3-inch diameter axles, and those would be 5,000 pound rated axles as well, or up to 5,000 pounds. That's going to do it for today's look at the Timbren Silent Ride suspension system for single axle trailers with 3-inch round axles and a weight capacity of up to 5,000 pounds.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.